Chatter says, what y'all all been waiting for, bro? Hold on. One more row. Bet. What y'all young nigga been waiting for, chat? Oh, yeah, we need a double S section. Get that double S going right quick. You really make that shit like a different color like that. I bet. Chat. First, is this the fall 7 right here? This was smooth. We go like B. Fall 7, we put that at a B. Okay, the AK. Okay, that's like an A tier gun. We gonna kind of run through these because they got every gun or every. Oh my God, Chris Vec. I'm gonna skip because I love this gun. This is a double S right here. The original Chris Vec. If you know, you know. If you was a BO2 demon, you know that Chris Vec was different, my nigga. For now. Oh, this the switch. This the switch pistol. This was like an A. Nah, it's like a B. Above that pistol. Above the 5.7. You say I'm out of timeout, gang. Crossbow. This was deadly if the right nigga had it. If the right nigga had one of these, it was deadly. I'm gonna put it at the top of A. Okay. Okay. We not. You know how the quick scope maps get. Come on. We not gonna do all that. This was like a C to me. I didn't really fuck with that gun. I don't know what this is. I guess we do need an I don't know section. Hold on, chat. Alright, bet. I don't know what that is. It's not showing the full picture, so I have no clue what that is. Just like this, I have no clue what this is, chat. Like the PNG is literally throwing me off. I'm not gonna lie. This nigga spamming again. What the fuck? What the fuck? Damn, why they terminate Ryan? What the fuck? Oh shit, it's getting deep in the chat. I bet. You gonna put this like B? It's like B. Revolver. I didn't really fuck with this. We gonna put that D. What is these? Eh. We gonna get to the good shit, chat. Okay. Is this the what is this? I don't want to say the wrong shit. What is this? I know this the KP40 right here. There's the switch right here, chat. That's going S tier. That's the switch right there. And then my MP7, that's a double S. That's literally the one of the best guns they had on MP on double. Spamming letters and symbols. BO2 on BO2. Peacemaker. Uh, Standard pistol. Go like C. Uzi. This was nice. I stayed leveling this up. That was nice. I like that. Oh my god. MP 90. Yeah, MP 90. This is better than the Vec. I'm not gonna lie. We put that there. Then really, a lot of these PNGs we can't see, but I know what this is. We put this A above crossbow. Shotgun, I can see. Right above there. You say this shotgun an A? Oh, a S. The one I put in B? This a shotgun? Oh, this one, this one. Yeah, I'm not mad at that. I'm not mad at that. Mm, damn. I'm low key for forgetting and remembering a lot of these names, chat. Like while we let's just get these out the way. We know what these is. Sticky bomb, double S. Claymore, double S. Tomahawk, double S. Frag grenade, like a B. C actually. Bouncing fucking Betty's, nigga. Double S. Yeah. Syntax. That was like a riot shields. Back in the day, chat. You know. This go S. I don't go double S. I go S here. Right after the shotgun. Uh, I don't see no real like what I was running all the time. I like this. We could put this like a right after Cater. I think this is like the bolt sniper. This is ass. We go D. No, we go actually ass. That shit was actually ass. Let's get some of these LMGs out the way. LMG and go B. You put an LMG in the right person's hand, he dropping 40 kills. I seen it with my own eyes, chat. Um, a lot of these I don't even like. I can't tell. Like this, I can't tell. I don't know what that is. Should go like A. That's in front of that KK. Go like right there. This was cool. I was running both of these. Not that much though, cause I was an SMG ass nigga. I love the SMGs. If y'all can know, chat. SMG, 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 SMG. All the 4 SMGs, 5 SMGs, and it's in the S, double S or S's. Uh, this was low key decent. I think this was a Scorpion. It's like a A. This was like a cool SMG, but I never like maxed this out. I didn't care to. Uh, the I forgot what this is called, but I know this was actually good. I ain't gonna lie. This was a good gun. I didn't run this, but this was cool. We could go like S right in front of riot shield. I think that's a copy of this gun. It's the same gun. Just a closer look. Hey, Nightbot chipping in, bro. Solid BA. Right after her. Am I tweaking? Where are the snipers at? I got a sniper here, here, here. That's 3. I don't know where the rest of them are. I'm not gonna lie. I don't see that many snipers. Nah, you not tweaking. It's only 3. Well, it was only like what 6 or 7 snipers on BO2. So I think they just picked like the top ones for. Nah, this grenade launcher was tough. If you know how to use it, just go A. Right behind the AK. After the Scorpion, actually. Not gonna lie, this is a demon. Go after that. I don't know what that is. A lot of these guns, chat, like I told after I just told y'all I'm a picky nigga. I did not like use the guns. Like that shit was ugly for or it shot too slow. I'm not using that gun. I don't even know what this is. This was cool. See, this is like the definition of a mid gun. I'll go be here. Nah, it's not beating that either. All right, we go be there. Final finale. It's lucky was A. I just didn't like. I didn't run this, so I can't give a real opinion. I'm gonna go B though. If I actually have to put this somewhere, I'm gonna go right after the Fall 7. Tell you, I like this list. Y'all think I'm gonna get fraud on Twitter for this if I post this? I don't get no fuck, nigga.